Alright, hello everyone. I am going to take a moment to tell you how to download Zoom onto your PC or Mac, and also how to sign in. So this is obviously the first step. You might have already done this, but this is helpful to know and to showcase to your students as well. So you'll want to go to zoom.us/downloads. This brings you to this page, or you can just type in download for Zoom app into your browser, and you will get to the download center. That is important. They have all these different options, but what you need to do for your computer on your laptop or your PC or Mac, you want to click client for Zoom client for meetings. Then it'll ask you where you want to download this. Most of the time, these types of programs go into your downloads folder. So you'll save that. You can open the program right from your browser here, or you can go through your file explorer and find the file. If I go to my downloads folder, that's where I installed Zoom. I double click to initialize and install, and once that happens, then a Zoom icon will populate at the bottom, and then it will ask me to sign in or to join a meeting. If I click sign in, I'm going to use the advanced Zoom login to sign in and populate these email and also password. I would recommend you to say keep me signed in. This is helpful because then whenever you click Zoom again, it will be this profile. If you use multiple profiles, if you're a teacher or something, you might not want to check this box, because then you'll always know what account you're signing into. Alright, so here we are in our account. If you can see, we have up on the right hand side, there's an area that shows us our account if we ever need to switch. And here we have our main Zoom meeting board. And so that is how to download Zoom and also sign in to your account on Zoom.